Navy Federal Credit Union is the #1 credit union in the United States. Why is that so? In today's video, we're going to be covering the top reasons why you, my friend, need to join Navy Federal. And if you are a member of Navy Federal already, how you can actually earn money by referring other people to Navy Federal and some of the amazing benefits that come along with being a member. Now, pro tip, if you watch this video until the end, I have a special gift for you all. Let's get into it. My name is Credit Coach Nicole Scott. If you haven't by now, make sure that you have subscribed to my channel, Credit Coach Nicole Scott, here on YouTube. I'm also on Instagram and TikTok. Now, for those of you that are new and maybe have never heard of Navy Federal, well, my friends, I have got a treat for you. So if you are one of those people that uses Chime, or if you are anyone associated with anyone who uses Chime, just say nope. Those low-level banks, that's not what we want. Sure, those banks are convenient, and maybe you have even been denied bank accounts by other financial institutions when you went to go apply for a checking account or a savings account because your check systems report is not clear. Well, if that's the problem, of course, you need to request that report, get that cleared up, but you're not going to have that issue with Navy Federal. Why? Because they use early warning. And guess what? They approve people with less than perfect credit. I have a community member of mine that's inside of the credit community. He did exactly what I teach in there, which is build the relationship with the bank and, most importantly, take action. His credit score is not even a 600, and he was able to get a $10,000 credit card by following these steps. So make sure, if you are an action taker, watch this entire video. Most importantly, comment the word guide and I will send you my free guide. It is also pinned in the comments and also in the description of this video. This guide is 100% free to you, my friends. All that I ask for you to do is simply leave me a comment, like the video, share the video, and most importantly, subscribe. We also have the credit community where you can join and learn information like this and so much more. So let's go ahead and get on to it. So if you think maybe I won't qualify for Navy Federal, I'm not a member of the armed services, I have not served in the military. Well, that doesn't mean that you don't qualify, because friends and family that are currently Navy Federal members, they can actually refer you into Navy Federal. And right now, there is a special promotion going on where you can actually earn $50 for each person that you refer, and the person that is being referred can earn up to $100. So you can actually make money by referring people. Now, I'm not saying abuse the system or anything like that by any means, but I'm just saying this is a great way for you to be able to refer your friends, your family, and they can earn money, you can earn money. It doesn't get much better than that, right? Now, here is why Navy Federal is literally the #1. It's not just #1 because I think so. It is actually #1 because it has the most amount of assets when it comes to credit unions. Don't take my word for it. Even if we head over to ibanknet.com, you will see, if we head over to the credit union section, #1 right here is Navy Federal Credit Union. #2 is state employees. #3 is PenFed. So maybe if you've had bad experience with Navy Federal, or you're simply just not willing to accept that they are #1, here is your proof, and here are a ton of other options as far as credit unions that you can potentially join and start building relationships with, because many of us have never even heard of these banks, but these are the banks that are the most powerful based on their deposits and their asset size. So if you see here the top 10 credit unions, those are where you guys want to be building relationships with, especially if you are going to be purchasing an auto, if you want credit cards, credit products. They have great personal products. A lot of these credit unions also have business banking products, Navy Federal being one of those. They have a great business banking section. However, you have to be a personal member with them in order to open up a business account. The bottom line is Navy Federal is the bank that you want to start building a relationship with, especially if you are looking for high limit credit cards, low interest auto loans, mortgages, home improvement loans, personal loans, maybe even you want to refinance some debt. Navy Federal is the place to do it, and you can join whether you have been a service member or not. All that you have to do is comment the word guide or go to the pinned comment and access the free guide that I put together, how to join, the benefits, and some of the major hacks that are going to be accessible to you as a Navy Federal member. All that you have to do is take action. And most importantly, if you found value in the guide, comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and most importantly, take action, because if you knew better, you would do better, my friends. I can't wait to see you on the other side.